Yes, you will feel the difference. And Samsung has done it again with the Z Fold 4. It's been a month since we get the Z Fold 4, and after a month I would say this is a productivity beast. You might feel some small differences if you are updating from a Z Fold 3, but if you are coming from an ordinary phone, then welcome to the foldable world. This feels way different, and I'm talking about the inner display. If you are the one who go outside a lot, or I would say travel a lot, then I would suggest you guys to get a case. Now why it is important? With the time, the hinge started getting scratches, and in some cases, if you drop your Galaxy Z Fold 4, it will be safe if you have a case on it. But after getting a case, this will feel bulky. If you're an S Pen user, then you have no other choice but to go with the case. The new Android 12L is really noticeable when you update from a Z Fold 3, the new taskbar which comes handy when we change the apps frequently. I don't know if anyone noticed or not, but the animations of the Z Fold 4 are really smooth with the One UI 4.1.1. And Samsung already rolled out an update to make it even better, and with the new Android 12L, apps are adapting with the screen size, but this will take some time for all the apps to get used to it. Surprisingly, with the same battery, Samsung managed to give a better battery backup on the Z Fold 4, almost 2 hours more than the Z Fold 3 when you are surfing on the internet. And this thing can last a full day on a medium to low usage. Yes, if you use it consistently, it can go up to 9 hours of screen on time, but Samsung should give a bigger battery in the next version, since it is still not enough. And with its new 45-watt fast charger, Z Fold 4 will get charged around 50% in just 30 minutes. Do you guys use your Galaxy Z Fold 4 on a daily basis? Either going outside or taking your phone with you while traveling? You would second my thought. We barely use inner display. Most of the times it is the outer display we were using, and it is more manageable. And with this new bit wider display, it's easy to use while you are on the go. And with this new hinge design, Samsung has done a great job minimizing the side bezel, which looks much better than the Z Fold 3, even though overall bezel looks quite the same as the Z Fold 3. Cameras are the big update over the Z Fold 3, and with the new Z Fold 4 50-megapixel camera, it takes quite sharp photos and videos with more saturation, and even performed well in low lighting, but the selfie cameras are not up to the mark. But who needs the selfie camera when you have your rear camera to take the perfect selfie shots? Or even if you do a video recording, but it's hard to hold this phone for a longer period of time. Not much, but still heavier than the normal phone, about 263 grams, whereas S22 Ultra is around 228 grams. This is a great productivity device and most durable foldable phone right now. With its IPX rating, it can handle the water, but cross is for dust. So guys, you should be careful around dust since the hinge will start cranking. And if you guys curious about the Z Fold 4 durability, you can check this video. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.